Hi guys, I'm Vivekanandam. Now we have discussed about my great successful hero. If you know the Formula One, that is one of the interesting is he is great successful person and racer. He is into the McLaren Formula One. He is one of the McLaren Group CEO and his rank is 304th at 2017. He is most successful team chief. He is the historical of Formula One racing. He has led the McLaren race team to victory in 17 World Championship and 158 Great Prix competitions. For the time of assumed first leadership of McLaren in 1918 until he has retired in 2017. The great person is Ron Dennis. Ron Dennis was born on 1st June 1947 in England. He studied motor vehicle engineer at Guildford Technology College. Dennis is a British businessman and the United Kingdom government is officially announced Dennis is a British business ambassador. Dennis started his career as mechanical before starting successful junior Formula team. Dennis has taken over the management of the McLaren team in 1980. Dennis founded the McLaren Automotive, useful product such as a supercar that is the McLaren F1, Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, McLaren P1 and a McLaren Senna. It is a Formula 1 race course. Dennis is also one of the sixth British businessmen and Dennis was major shareholder. He held the company luxurious watch company. That watch company name is TAC Group. Now his personal life. Dennis has three children. Dennis announced divorce for his wife on 2008. Dennis was banned from his driving life for 6 months. Dennis was donated to Conservative Party. He accepted 1,26,200 euros. Dennis is 304th ranked man in world and he estimated wealth of 450 million euros. Dennis is the employer in Ministry Investment Groups and British East Asian Council. Danes have 25% of shares in McLaren Groups until June 2017. Our successful word of Ron Dennis is have chosen a whole new direction. My word is now the philosophy one. My legal will be there. I have tried to do the best with the knowledge, skills and earnings to scale. I want to citizen anyone. The bottom line is that everyone should do what they think is right. They have to live with their do and their action. He awards and honor. 1996, Danny have a honorary doctorate in the Montfort University. And 1997, he have a honoris doctorate in City Union London. And in 2000, honoris doctorate in University of Syria and another awards in 2000. Danny Self, CBE means Commander of the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire. 2001 and 2018, he had a British Racing Driver Club Gold Medal. 2007, he have British Racing Driver Club Queen Champion trophies. And 2008 is another awards was have Princess Philippines Medal Royal Academics of Engineer 2017 Gold Plat Awards in American Academics of Achievement. And now conclusions around Dennis as the built a McLaren from the losing racing team into a dominator competitive the Formula One as well as a drive safety technology company and a successful compressor automaker. He is continue to the pursue new business opportunity and charitability activities. His personal achievement as the most successful team leader. Uh, in the history of the Formula One racings, I remember unpulsed if you have an inspired as achievement stories, you may also enjoy with McLaren story. Thank you.